big old rainbow trout. Hey, this is Taylor with Rose River Lure Company. I got out this morning and caught 3 trout. Caught 2 on a ruby maggot spin, and then I caught this one on some orange power bait. Nice 16-inch rainbow trout. So I'm going to show you guys how I fillet up a trout, and then later on we're going to fry this thing up and have it for dinner. So the way that I do it, so I've got this nice wooden board right here that I made years ago, and it has this metal clamp on it. And the way I always start with the back of the fish towards me. So clamp the fish down, have a nice sharp fillet knife. So right here behind the gill plate, you just cut straight down until you feel the spine of the fish. Then you take and lay your knife down, kind of point the tip of the knife up just a hair, and then go all the way down the back of the fish. And it's hard to do with these bigger fish. This trout was full of eggs. But I take and I lay the fillet over, and then I just cut the fillet just straight off the skin. And that's what we get. Real nice fillet there. Clamp that head of that fish down. Take your knife right behind that gill plate, go straight down. Turn the knife. Now you're going to cut just straight down the side of that fish, all the way to the end of the tail. Then you grab the fillet, flip it over. Now we're going to cut the fillet off of the skin. You need a really sharp knife. You don't want to have to saw to get the fillet off of the skin. You should just be able to pull that knife and it comes straight down. And that's all there is to it. Alright, so we just finished cleaning that trout up here. So we're going to work on getting this thing fried up. So first up, we're going to get the fish breaded. So I cut the fillets in half and I put them in a egg wash and ranch dressing mix. And then for my coating, I'm going to actually use hush puppy mix rather than fish fry or flour, mixed with Italian breadcrumbs, garlic powder, Old Bay, and pepper. I'm going to lay our fillets down this right here. This is good enough mix. Alright, so I got these fillets ready to go here. I was a little short on oil, so I usually like to fry in cast iron, but gotta use what we got. This is a nice 16-inch trout that we caught today in the Robinson River in Nancy County, Virginia. And we're about to make a nice trout. Alright, first up we're going to start off with our hush puppies.